guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to make an Indo Chinese dish called Gobi Manchurian. As kids and as adults, we all love Indian Chinese food, and growing up back in India, I used to love it too. So today I thought I'm going to make some Gobi Manchurian or Cauliflower Manchurian for you the dry way. It is very simple to make it at home. And let's get started. So the ingredients to make this recipe are cauliflower or gobi cut into tiny pieces, some onions, cilantro, ginger, garlic, red chili powder, that's the Kashmiri one because I need it just for the color, not the spiciness. This is the ketchup, little bit of chili sauce, that's optional, black pepper, salt, oil, green chilies, soy sauce, maida or the all-purpose flour, and the corn flour or the cornstarch. This is 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of maida. And we need some water. So we need to make a batter for this Gobi Manchurian. We first add the maida or the all-purpose flour. In goes the corn flour or the cornstarch. You add a little bit of salt. The remaining salt I'm going to save it for seasoning. And a little bit of red chili powder and some water. Not a lot of water, a little bit of water. Then now we mix everything together to make a medium consistency batter, not too thin and not too thick. After everything is mixed well, I need to add these florets. And mix everything well with the batter. So we have mixed everything really well and the gobi is coated with the masala or the batter. So now we heat up the oil and we need to fry all these florets till slightly brown. So make sure you add the florets separately so they don't stick to each other and you can get separate pieces. So here the gobi or the cauliflower pieces are frying. Just give it a minute more. So the gobi has fried. Now let's just take it out on this paper towel to remove the excess oil. Add a little bit of oil. Goes in the onions. These are the shallots actually, the smaller version. And the green chilies, and then you fry them well. Make sure you cook it on high flame. Cook it on high because Chinese cooking is generally on high flame. And let it become slightly translucent. You don't want to make it really brown, just translucent. Now goes in a lot of garlic and lots of ginger. Then we add the pepper and a little bit of salt. We already added salt in the batter, so make sure you add less salt and toss it and mix everything well. Now goes in a lot of cilantro. Cilantro is the main ingredient apart from ginger garlic that gives that flavor. Now we add the soy sauce. A little bit of chili sauce. This is optional if you want to make it a little bit spicy. And to balance the flavor, we also add some ketchup. simple tomato ketchup. And now we add the fried florets and toss everything well. Mix it on high, keep cooking on high flame. Do not reduce the flame. You can also add some spring onions if you wish to. I haven't added, but you can always add. I use the shallots or the small onions instead. So the gobi manchurian is ready, and let's turn off the gas and plate it in a dish. Start plating the gobi manchurian in this dish. So gobi manchurian is ready to be served. If you like my recipe, do like and subscribe. And if you want to get notifications on my recipes that I post, please click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video. Till next time, bye-bye.